Yes, thank you. Excellent. I just had a power cut. Okay, so my name is Bajrang, and I am currently working as an UiPath architect. And I recently started my own organization called Bajrang Information Technology Services. And I do have more than 250 videos exclusively for UiPath training. So the channel is with Automate with UiPath. Most of you might have seen the video or post from there and have joined this session right now. So there are around 3,000, nearly closing to 4,000 subscribers right now in my channel. And currently, I won one of the CG 2020 hackathon, and I am a speaker at multiple forums. And you can also check my details in LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay. So, how many of you don't know about me and would like to know more about me? Like you haven't seen at least any video of mine or any post of mine? Anyone, someone like that? Do we have in the training session? No, I hope no. Thank you so much. So who should attend this session? So this is the main important concept, like members who are failing the coding interviews. I know that most of you are experienced persons, but even though you are experienced, when you are going into a UiPath training, if you just answer things that you are good with .NET development or Java development, that will not help you completely. So you need to answer few questions that are related to UiPath projects. You need to answer how you are able to debug. You need to answer how you are able to troubleshoot, and you also need to tell how you are maintaining a project. So these are the questions that a normal experienced person will get, and how you need to answer. So that's the main target of this. So again, this is not completely for the people who are not into any coding, who don't have any coding knowledge or who don't know any basics of UiPath. I recommend you to join if you have at least a bit of coding knowledge. Like even if you write if else condition, that should be fine for me. But without even without that, I suggest you to first take a basic trainings from the academy, then join the course. So members who are not able to clear the first three interviews or technical interviews, so members who wanted to get trained for the certifications, for example, if you know the code, if you have completed the projects, but if you see in the advanced certifications, we need to have the certifications concepts to be covered. So this is for you, and we will be covering all the projects in the current project training only on ARI framework. And members who wanted to fetch job as UiPath developers and more along with UiPath developers, I would like to say few members who joined in the previous training programs in the last month and the before. They have also secured jobs as a RPS support leads and support developers as well. So this is for them who like you can grab any opportunity that comes as a part of the training. So what are the components that we will be covering? So again, as I have said, we will be doing on projects. So we need to talk about projects. But let me take a quick pause and let me check if you have any questions. So can you please tell me if you have any questions?
So do we get hands-on, like in terms of projects and like complete end-to-end scenario in terms of handling all the error
Yes.
detection?
Yes, when we will be working only on projects. So all the projects which I am covering right now, so mostly those will be the interview, like coding interviews, either from Accenture or TCS, again, right, directly from UiPath. So normally we have some coding interviews that will be connected, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so those questions we will be working as projects.
Okay.
Okay. So while working in the projects, like you need to work with GitHub, you need to work like we can go further. We can go into further slides and then you can understand.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So any other question? I
So
hope
you'll be
no.
covering all these things, right? What you're showing here, the
Exactly.
task capture and GitHub integration and all
Yes.
these things. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So you can also search my profile. Meanwhile, can someone search my profile in GitHub right now and search Vajrang-B and search for 100 days RPA developers, 100 RPA developers, please. And I would also like you to post the same in the chat. You have chat option, right? Please go ahead and post the screenshot if you have found it. Okay, so we'll be covering how you can post in communicate in the community, UiPath community, and how can you use UiPath Orchestrator, because right now Orchestrator is changed a lot. Like there are no only basic things. Like earlier there used to be only 4 tabs, but right now it's like complicated, but as well as easy to understand. And will also be covering on how to create a PDD, how to create an SDD, and how to create bugs, and how we can work with the projects directly. In Like how can we commit the code, how can we raise the issues, how can we make sure we integrate the branches, like everything that will be related as per the project, we'll be doing that. And I'll also try to create some industry expert sessions, but again that depends on the person who will take it. Okay, now what are the projects that we are going to cover, and let's see what details do we have. Okay, so I think people are joining in late, but since the meeting will be recorded, so I will also share with you. So even if you are late, that should be fine. Go ahead and check the video recording. So all the projects are actual interview use cases, as I have said. But the first day that we are going to take, it will be on from either from tomorrow or from Monday. Let me just quickly check it out before we close this session. So all the projects are actual interview use cases. So when we are talking about use cases, all the projects, even uh, the projects that we are going to cover in third or fourth weeks are going to be some exclusively or complex use cases. So you need to create all the projects in RE framework only, and for the first week alone, you need to work on some UI basics like UI automation, for example, some calculator automation, but that will be in the again that will be in the RE framework itself. So just a second. Okay, and how to handle the exceptions, because this is to get hold of RE framework first, and then we can continue. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and also you may need to create reports, because after completion of every execution, there should be a unique report that should be generated, and then that should be sent over email. So how that will be done, and what is the audio ideology, or how the project structuring should be done to do such reporting and all. So those will be covered. So the next one again is week 2. So the what exactly we are trying to do here is we are trying to increment the project complexity day on day and week on week. So now along with the UI automation, we will be working with multiple applications. For example, there can be an API call, there can be Outlook, there can be web application as well as a desktop application, and the creating reports and sending emails will be common, because that you need to do in each and every project. But obviously the complexity of the project will be increased. Okay, so week 3 project is somewhere like this. you need to work with JSON structures. If you haven't worked with JSON structures, then this will be very important because in the actual projects you may need to call in multiple JSON modules and JSON structures, and you may need to make some API calls as well. So those will be covered. Along with that, how can we work? Like, okay, now what is the use of calling an API while working with the UA automation? So all these details will be covered. And in the actual projects, yes, you will definitely need to work with APIs and JSONs. That you definitely need to do. Then week 4 again. We are like I'll be giving you one complex use case, and as you have completed 3 weeks of training by this time, you need to start things from the scratch. You need to start from SDD preparation, and you need to get it reviewed, and there will be peer reviews as well. So while working in this, you will not only work, but you will also review others code. You will review others activities, and you need to get their approvals. You sometimes you may need to act as a project lead, sometimes you may need to act as a developer, sometimes you need to act as a project manager. So everything, every role should be covered by everyone. Okay, so I'll look into it on how exactly we can do that. So let me take a pause. Any questions, since we have a couple of members joined in? Let's take some quick questions if you have. Yeshwant, hi. Hi Sandhya.
Yeah, hi.
Purushottam, hi. Yes, any questions? Okay, so let's go ahead. So common activities in all the projects, as I have said, we will be working on PDD creation solution. I would not like to drill in deep because we already discussed it. Solution design document. So these are like a series of steps. First, you need to create PDD, solution creation, solution unit testing, solution integration, and then deployment in a different machine. So again, we there will be 3 environments in the actual scenario. So how exactly are you going to work on those 3 environments? How you are going to migrate the code between the 3 environments? All these things will be taken into consideration. Okay, and yes. Okay, there is one single question that I normally get asked. Will you have recording sessions? I seriously suggest you to join training sessions or our meetings daily. It will be only for 1 hour, and you need to definitely take some time. But some in any part of a day or any part of a training, if you missed any one session, you will be able to go ahead and rejoin back, but you will be able to see the recording that will be exclusively view only for you in YouTube. So I will give you the access only for your Gmail, and that's where you can access the video. Okay. Yeah. So what about the free UiPath certifications? Can we complete the certifications after completing this training? So after completing this training, and even in between the training, I suggest you to go on a on side with these trainings: RPA Starter, RPA Developer Foundation, and RPA Advanced Developer Foundation. The links are available, and I will try to post this deck for you. But even then, even if I don't post you the deck, you can go ahead and just go to UiPath Academy, where you will be able to complete these certifications. The beauty of this course is by completing the first and second week of the training program, you will be able to complete all the certifications if you are properly practicing with the projects. And paid certifications can you take from UiPath? Yes, I seriously suggest you to take it if you are an experienced person for around at least 6 months, because when you are able to take the certification, that will give you an added advantage. But even if you don't complete the certifications, you still get jobs. Okay, in RPA developer, as an RPA developer and into RPA field. So this is not mandatory, but these are already free, and this will give an interviewer an idea that you have the experience. Certificate for the course, yes, I'll be providing you the certificate. And
What's the difference between free and paid
okay,
certification?
so free will you can take it from anywhere. You need to complete some few choose the correct answers, and you need to create some few projects. But paid certification, you will be monitored. Either if you are from taking it from home, you will be monitored. Um, like Pearson by Pearson and View, but there will be an option for you to take it at the exam location. So that's the difference. So that's the main reason for uh, making it completely as a paid certification.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So what are the free add-ons? I will give you the resume preparation or correction if you have, and each and every one will be taken a mock interview even during the training session or after the training session. But you should be prepared to take the interview at any point of time during the training program. And job reference support is what I'm going to give you if there are any jobs that are in the market, and a few jobs members who are in the previous training sessions. I'll refer them. I have referred them for a few of the interviews directly where they can take. So I'm not giving you any job guarantee here. If you have joined this training program for the job directly, I'm not going to give you, but I'll enable you to crack that job interview, and I'll make sure that you close all the job interviews or any kind of technical interviews. That is a guarantee for me. It's not job, and I'm not taking any price for this job reference support. So this is absolutely free add-on, I would say. So again, this is 120 issues is the previous tasks. But have you checked with this Git anyone while we are talking? Did anyone check GitHub? You should definitely go ahead and check because we'll be maintaining all the projects in GitHub. So these are the achievements, minimal achievements that I can showcase to you. Like all the team members, there are around 30 to 60, 35 members plus have joined into a project, and everyone started working on the same code and their own codes, and they started reviewing others codes as well. You can also see all these details. And you need to create pull requests. Team members were able to complete work with GitHub integration. This is what I said. So GitHub scorecard, again, this is only for August, July to August. For the month of August to September, this increased a lot. So please go ahead and check it out. Okay. Now again, this is a uh, question for everyone. How much do you think such kind of training program will cost you in the market that completely works with all the projects and completely gives you one-on-one guidance? How much do you think it will cost you?
I have checked with Besant Technologies, Bangalore. So they were charging 35K plus taxes.
Mhm,
It was a program for 2 months.
mhm. Okay, Besant, I think they are going to how many projects will they cover for you?
I haven't checked that,
Mm,
but they said like it's a 2 months duration program, and they will be covering. They will be giving us the capstone projects and also not exactly if we're getting hands on or not, but I'm not sure whether they'll cover the projects and give interview support or not.
sure. So most of the training sessions right now are going to completely be on basics, as far I understand, as far as I see with the training programs and all. Because when we are coming with the projects, the training like people who are working only on the trainings, they will be considering on the holistic group, not on a specific group of interviews. So that's what you can get it from them if you're going with the basics. Anyone else, please go ahead and talk because we need to interact a lot for the next 30 days. We need to speak up to clear all the questions, and this is a very important question. It will be like a deciding factor for you as well.
Actually, I spoke to Emergent Tech, if you have heard about it.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, they are charging around 15K
15K.
for
Okay.
the, yeah, for the classroom camp.
Okay. So we have 15K now. Okay. Let's let the bid going on. Let's see. Sudhira.
Yeah, I heard like it will be like around 12,000 to 15,000.
Okay. Swapna.
Yeah.
Around 15K, sir.
15K. Okay. Thank you. Shashidhar.
Around 15K only.
Around 15K. Okay. So can I take the base price as 15K from each and everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'm sorry to disappoint you. So this time I will not be charging 15K. It will be only okay. So who is the who can tell that okay, I cannot pay that price and this is what I can pay. Can you give me that price as well? You can be open. That's fine. Okay, if you're not going to tell, I am going to tell you.
There was something like demo, right? I mean, then people would have come up with all the answers. Like, all these institutes will have 3 days of demo, and like based on how the works.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
people would not judge, like they come up with these kind of answers. So since it's the only one session, we are discussing all the requirement, like what you're gonna teach for the rest of the 30 days.
Exactly. So you
Yeah.
should have already done some background work. The only reason that I'm asking is, well, all the market right now is charging you too much or charging because they're charging more. Maybe I'll be charging less. The only reason is I'm doing it for the community as a community member by a community member. So I'll be charging you 9,000 only. Okay, so whatever you have said 15,000, that's not what I'm going to charge. It will be only 9,000, and that will be for complete training course. It will not be any extra you need to pay for the project trainings and all. Everything will be covered with this within this 9,000. Seems to be good.
And who can really choose this course? Let's talk in a realistic way because we
Mm,
have only 30 days for
mm-hmm.
this program.
Okay.
And I'll talk about from my perspective. I'm
Mm,
from coming from an RPA support background, so
okay.
I think it would be really challenging to learn all the advanced technologies in that just 30 days. So,
Mm,
like yeah, it's all about our hard work and all. Like,
mm.
will it be possible? I mean, like to get at least some basic. No, I would like to say advanced level knowledge.
Mm. So, Venu, if you have asked me in while I have started this training in the beginning, then I would have answered that question a bit differently. But right now, there are around 60 members who have already completed this training. And let me just show you with the GitHub. So, why always I tell you about GitHub? You need to have some proofs on how people are working and what people are working, right? So let me just stop the presentation and I will share you back the presentation. So let me know once you are able to see the screen.
Yeah, we are able to.
Yes. So the last commit or last code commits that you are saying, there are 144 commits, and all the commits you can see 23rd September, 22nd September, and these are on the project trainings. Like you can also see what are the projects that you have created and what are the things that they have implemented, and were they able to, and these are the people who are having least experience with UiPath, and they don't have a proper knowledge on UiPath. Like they know about activities, they know how to create activities, how to use activities, but with respect to project perspective they don't know. But after the first and second weeks, that's where the question ends. That will not be a question again for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that's the reason this is open for everyone to check. Go ahead and check it, please. So please go ahead and check all the projects and the commits that we are making, how what are the issues that we are raising. So please go ahead and check, and you will also be doing the same activity. You need to work properly, and you need to work on the project directly.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So yes, that will not be a question for you, Venu. You will be working on the projects and you will be able to work completely.
Vajrang, Purnima here.
Yeah, Purnima, tell me.
Vajrang, I'm in a full-time employment. So can I take up this?
Sure, why not?
I'm not in the UiPath field, but I want to get back to UiPath field. So the whole
Definitely.
of 2020, I upskilled myself. I did a few projects, but then I got a career in non-UiPath. So I took it up because I wanted to work as well. Whatever I got, I took it up. And now I want to get back to UiPath, which has been my passion. Or I mean, I've always enjoyed working in that. But with your projects and how tight is the schedule going to be, or will I be able to do it with my full-time job? Weekends, okay, I can spend some time, but
so I will also discuss about the project trainings, timing sessions, timings of the training, and so Purnima, while I can guide you some through few of my previous team members, there are around 16 to 17 years experienced people as well who joined the training and who have completed the training, and the main reason they were able to complete it is we are not uh, we are not combining everything into a single training session. We have enough time. 30 days or 4 weeks of training program is very good time, and you will be able to spend the time trying to take that few initial steps slowly in the beginning, then you can speed up at the end. So while being said that, what kind of field are you in right now?
I'm in project lead role. I'm doing a project lead role. So
Exactly.
into project management, yeah.
Exactly. Now, when you are in a project management and when you are going to take a RPA project, you will not be going as an RPA developer, if I'm not wrong.
I don't mind even going as an RPA developer, Vajrang, because I
Yes.
really
Okay,
like
how many years
UiPath.
of experience do you have, Purnima?
Overall, it's 7.5 years.
Okay, then you can definitely go as an RPA developer as well and a senior RPA developer as well. You can definitely go. And yes, you can work in the project as well as you can take up the course. The reason, okay, so the project training will be only 1 hour per a day. So during that 1 hour, we will be covering on the interviews, we will be covering on the projects, and we will also be doing mock interviews as well. And it will be only 5 days a week. It's not on the weekends because so there are few programs right now uh, that will be covering only on the weekends but not on the weekdays. See, this is a journey, I would say. You cannot climb an uphill climb an uphill at a single shot. You need to take that simple steps, but you need to make some progress, and you need to make very quick progress during this 30 days. So there will be 5 day sessions, and Saturday will be again a review session. And that's where if we need an extra dose of training, that's when Saturday will help us, but Sunday will be off.
So, are you saying, Vajrang, that 1 week or 5 days or whatever number of days, that 1 hour we will be doing hands-on with the project, and we will not be able, we will have to put in some additional work thing at home, or of course, right? I mean, to
That
complete the project.
that
How
will be
is it?
completely depending on you. So what we'll be covering in the project. So let me take it like this 1 hour will be like a meeting sessions where we'll be like a scrum call or a daily meeting sessions where we will be discussing on the project requirements, where we'll be giving the trainings and all. And the remaining time is if you are capable enough, and if you are going to spend time, you can spend time, but during the training program, while I am working, you can also work along with me.
Okay. But I'm still not clear, Vajrang, whether I'll be able to balance my work
Of
time and
course.
project
Okay.
time. That is
How
my
many
concern.
hours are you going to work in a day? Can you please tell me?
See, it's typically 9 to 6, is my work timing. Of course,
Okay.
one cannot really define it, but yes, overall, I try to balance my work and keep it
Hmm.
9 to 6 as much
Yeah.
as possible.
So it will be only 30-day Purnima. So if you are going to learn, I think you have already put in lot of extra efforts for a period of an year. So this 30 days will definitely help you, or this particular 4 projects will definitely help you to get a leap over the others.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So till now, I think you have done projects on your own. There is no proper like guided project training for you that you have taken. Am I
Yeah, I
correct?
have not done this end to end. I've not used RE framework. I've not done cloud-based things, task mining.
Exactly.
Uh,
So
so
that's what
yeah.
you will do in actual projects. And if you're going directly into a project, there in the projects you cannot go ahead and say that okay, right now I'm getting a project, so I will start learning at that point of time. Right now, people and even the market is looking for job ready candidates or finished school candidates or members.
Okay.
Yeah. So you should know how the projects work, and you should be able to answer.
Okay.
Okay. Any
Okay. I just wanted to know my daily routine, how much I have, just to get an idea of whether it's doable for me or not. That's
Yes,
what I
yes,
wanted to know.
absolutely doable. See,
So
I know that you have spent enough time getting yourself till here. So next 28 days or next 4 weeks program, if I'm going to commit you, or I'm going to commit that I'm spending 1 hour for you, apart from my daily time, you should be able to do that for your sake. This is not for my career, and this will be completely for your career. You should be able to do that. You must do it, Purnima.
yeah, that's fine. Just wanted to know how much rough idea of the
Okay,
number of.
so maybe you need to spend around half an hour more if you are very good with .NET, and if you are very good with UiPath for training.
I'm not very good with .NET. Neither am I very good with UiPath. I'm just .NET. I've worked very very early on in my career. I don't know much of .NET now.
Okay.
UiPath, I did it 6 months back. Last
Mm,
6 months, I've not been able to do much hands-on.
okay, but
I would
what
rate
have you
myself
done?
as a little better than a beginner. That's all.
So that should be enough, Purnima.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So yeah, we have 10 minutes of the training session or meeting session still remaining. So put in all your questions.
Hi Vajrang, this is Sudhira.
Yeah, Sudhira.
So these are the timings like 10:30 to 11:30
No,
IST.
Sudhira, since this is Saturday and this is uh,
Mm-hmm.
holiday, I've created it for 10 to 10:30 to 11:30. So again, it depends on the people. Mostly the timing that I would like to start is around 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Because that's the best timing that I found cross time zone. And it can cover multiple time zones. So 8 a.m. To 9 a.m. And since
Yeah, that's a good time. That's a very good time, actually.
exactly. So most of the people right now are going to come across different time zones, and we need to work according to that. And starting a day will be very fresh, and working on project at that time will be very good. So that's the main reason, Sudhira.
Yeah. Okay, Vajrang. Thank you.
Okay. So any more questions? So please go ahead. And again, if you are going to think that this will be a training session for each and everyone, no, I'm not going to do that. This will not be open for everyone. The main reason being, I want to train people who are job ready. I'm not going to train people who will be ready only for completing their basics. So this will be like one-on-one training sessions that are going to happen exclusively for you. So again, this I'm not going to take 50 members or 100 members at a time. There will be very limited people, and we'll be concentrating only on the team, not on a. This will not be a like a huge group training that I'm not going to work like a group training here. Swapna V says hi sir. Swapna V, you can go ahead and type in your chat If you are not able to talk, you can go ahead and chat. That should be
Sir,
fine.
I have one question, sir. Are you going to cover from basics because I'm very new to RPA?
Yes. So the first week of training program is what you're going to see all the basics. But if you are going to work on projects, you need to like I have shown you um, some academic courses, right? So I will guide you on which one to start. You need to work on the training programs as well. So Sapna, if you are new, very new.
Okay, sir. That really helps. Thank you.
Yeah.
So if one is not good, very good with .NET,
Mm.
will I be able to scale up in those as well,
Yeah.
along with the UiPath?
So if you see UiPath, this RP training is or RP came as into market with low code or no code platforms, and this will still remain the same. You don't need exclusively or extensively library writing capabilities.
But I would like to explore a little bit of
That
that if
depends
possible.
on the that depends on the work that you will do, Purnima. Like after this program, if you want to explore more on the .NET and if you want to explore more on the libraries, if you want to write, of course you can go ahead and take it. But that will
Okay.
not be covered in this training program because that's not required for you.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Do you have any more questions? Come on. Previous training sessions, they have hundreds of questions. Either you are
So this
very prepared or you are ready.
how
Yeah,
good
Venu.
is RPA in the market? So I mean,
Sorry, Venu, I didn't get you.
how good is RPA in the market and about the
Venu, you should have done
opportunity?
the homework before joining, before asking this question. Like, have you seen the right now with the salaries that people are getting with RPA
Yeah,
and
it is booming. So I'm sure people are.
exactly like they are so this course fees that I'm taking now, it will be like 1 day or 2 day pay scale for you if you're going to get some high package. And right now it's like hot cake. If you are saying that you are an experienced person for 2 years, people are ready to pay you around 12 lakhs. I'm not sure how crazy those numbers are, because when I started, it's very less and the projects are very limited. But right now, the people, even the training that I've started is for the same reason. Jobs are available right now, and people who are going with the fake interviews are getting the markets. But people who are actually working on the projects, who are making themselves available, they are not getting it. Why? Because they don't have the project idea, they don't have the project knowledge. That's what I'm going to enable you. You should not be the persons who are going to say that, okay, now I get a job, then I will train. No, that will not happen in this real time world. So if you are going to complete this, and if even if you say that you are having 2 years, people will easily um, understand that you do have, and they believe, because you are going to cover many things in this training session.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Sai Krishna saying that I took training from you. Okay, Sai Krishna, tell me, Sai Krishna, what is the problem that you faced, or what do you want to talk? So we have
It's like
previous. Hi,
yeah,
Sai Krishna.
I wanted a robotic enterprise framework because I'm not able to understand about that concept.
So Sai Krishna,
And
the message that you have posted is, Bajrang, I took training from you for basic RPA. I only wanted RE framework. Okay, advanced RE framework. Yes, this is advanced training, Sai Krishna, only with the advanced. Sorry, I don't remember of the basic training, but yes, this all the 4 weeks
yeah,
will be only for the advanced training program.
you gave in value momentum, right? I'm a value momentum employee was.
Okay, so you know how I train.
Yeah. It's like you took 4 days class, right? 4 days training.
Yes,
That
exactly.
time you gave some project also. Project we have done,
Yes,
basic project.
exactly.
So I just wanted to have that robotic enterprise framework.
Exactly. So
So it's
you know how I train as well, since you have already seen my training
yes,
programs. It
yes.
will be
So this,
extensively on the coding part and on the project parts.
So, but for 1 month, it's like, can I join for some half day? It's like whenever it's a robotic enterprise framework is like, can I join for that? No,
This
I
complete
need
training will
to.
be for all the 1 month, Krishna, and it will be only for 1 hour. And being a value momentum employee, you should be able to take it. I think there
Okay,
are projects coming in. Go ahead and take.
but the only course fee, I'm just thinking about it. We'll discuss in offline, Vajrang, about this.
Yes. So one thing I would say, I would there is no concession or rebate or debate on this. This is the very least course fees that I have kept. Um, so fees will be fixed. If you want, I can give you additional add-ons. We cannot go ahead and change the fee scrolls. Like I cannot give additional add-ons for someone. I cannot reduce it for someone. I cannot give more for someone. That's not going to happen.
Not for that.
Yeah, this is the complete of course fees and the only course fees, and this is the minimalist that you can get anything in the market. Okay, fixed timings or any changes, upcoming days are no. Narendra, there are fixed timings. I cannot change the timings because once you are habituated to the timing, that will be there for every day. Hi Venu, I think turn off the video for now. You can turn on video on the first training session.
No, actually it got disconnected, so I
Yeah,
had to
yeah,
join
sure,
back
no
again.
problem.
No.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes,
Can we
Supra.
automate can we automate SAP application using RPA?
Yes, you can, but you need to learn desktop automation for that. If you have desktop automation, see, this is the problem. If you don't know the concept, you think that that's a completely different concept. But SAP automation is desktop automation. Okay, so desktop application automation, nothing more than that. Um, the only thing that you need to do while working, if there is a question how can you do SAP automation, the only answer that you need to give is you need to enable script in your local machine, and there are few steps for doing that. You need to go into settings, you need to start enable scripting so that UiPath can access these elements, and then it's just a desktop application. If you are not able to answer this question, that's when you're going to raise some flags, or else it will be easier for an interviewer. So those details we'll also cover, Swapna.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Hi, Vajrang, I have a question.
Yeah, Parvesh, tell me.
So, the projects we will be working on. So, yeah, actually, everyone from the different background.
Mm,
Like someone is working in the healthcare domain, and
mm,
for me, if I talk about myself, so I'm working in open banking. So,
mhm,
how they means the project we will be working on. So, how we are going to
mm,
means that explain it in interview. Means if we have worked on any suppose X project,
mm.
so how is it in our company or the background? So how we will merge? So that's the no. Means I think you can understand.
Okay, so Parvesh, the power of RPA or the capability of RPA is it can go into any market.
Okay.
Okay, and the main reason RPA came with this extensive boom is even if
Mhm.
there is HR domain, even if that is banking domain, even if that is PNC domain or any kind of domain, every domain has an RPA work to be automated. Every project has a manual process to be automated.
Mhm.
So even if you are into separate domain, you should add on some implementations with RPA and automation. Right now, in next few years, maybe you will be working on different thing, but the activities that you're performing will be done by a robot. So will you
Correct.
be a robot creator so that you will be uh, in the market where the robots maintenance of the robots and creation of the
Right.
robots will be there for future.
Okay.
Your
Yeah.
your work may your what are the work you are doing right now might be automated, but they can
Yeah.
in future I can also see that robots will create new robots. that will happen for sure. But to
Okay.
create that robot, such kind of robots, you should be able to understand what is the basics on that.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
so that will be helpful for you, Parvesh. No need to think
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
it.
Vajrang, Purnima here again.
Yeah, Purnima.
Sorry, I'm asking too many
Go
questions.
ahead,
I
Purnima. At least you're asking questions.
Yeah. So this will include end to end, right? Like say
Exactly.
I start with a studio, go on to orchestrator, and then
Yes.
deploy it in the bots,
Yes.
and completely end to end, right? Because that is something I have not really done end to end. Like for example,
Hmm.
RE frameworks I have not done.
Hmm.
I might have created a bot,
Hmm.
but I really not have scheduled it or really not gone deep diving into those areas
Hmm.
of practicality,
Hmm.
go live kind of things
Hmm.
much. So I would like to get in tune with that, because when you get into a job, I think that the first thing they look into is
Hmm.
how hands-on practically are you. Like you rightly said, I
Hmm.
have probably done a lot of desktop applications,
Hmm.
just coding and just execution and things like that, but that
Exactly.
end to end understanding the life cycle and just doing it. So will that be covered even if the project is smaller, but it has good content, it's good end to end, and use all the right tools and applications,
Hmm.
do it end to end, so that I'm confident, okay, this is how I do it. So will that be covered?
So Purnima, you just spoke about the first 2 days of the training program. So
Okay, great.
all the activities that you have said are the first 2 days of the training program.
Okay, great to hear that.
Okay, so remaining activities are like completely add-ons for you. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so right, and I've also not used, you interestingly said task capture, and there are a few new concepts also, process mining, task mining. I have not gone into those things, but I know everything cannot be covered in a course. So just showing you my interest, just so that that's
But
all. So
this will be covered, right? Task capture will be covered, process mining will be covered in this course.
process mining is covered here.
Yeah,
Okay.
task capture
Okay.
will be so we are using task capture UiPath task capture to understand about the process and how we can do that.
Okay. Great. That's really great. Thanks.
Okay. For RPA UiPath advanced certification, is this course useful for us? Will you help cover topics of clearing
Yeah, I am
advanced
interested
certification?
in doing a certification as well. Right.
Yeah, sure. So Narendra says, so the basic and advanced that are coming from academy, we will be doing them within the course so that you will be able to complete. But if you are going to come ask me about the paid course or paid training session, complete the course, complete at least all the 4 training sessions, and take some mock training or mock questions, mock drill, and there are websites available directly from UiPath. You can go ahead and take some mock tests. Don't go for paid training, paid courses, or any paid certification mock tests. Those are not required. I already took them, and I am a UI ARD certified UiPath professional, so I know what it takes. So you absolutely don't require any additional paid courses. Narendra, you can go with this, but the only thing is have a quick practice, because there will be conceptual things that we will be discussing in the training program as well. So if you are going to cover it, then you can complete. Narendra, hope I answered your question. Cool. So that's it.
Hi,
Sudhira, tell me.
yeah, hi, Vaishnav.
Yes.
I have a question regarding the tool. Like
Mm,
we use like community edition, right?
mm,
And there is also enterprise edition.
mm.
So in real time, we I think we work on in enterprise edition. So
Okay.
is that it will be okay if we now we will be doing projects in community edition. So
Okay.
what is the
So do you know the
expectation?
difference between community UiPath and the studio that we use normally in the projects?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I want to know more about like
Okay.
community edition and the
So
enterprise.
let me take it like this. So community edition is like a freeware that UiPath is going to release to the market so that they can know what are the bugs that they can get it through the software. But stable versions will be released only on 2 months. that will be in the month of October, that is 2021.10, and in the month of April, that is 2021.4. So these are the two stable versions that people will get migrated to. So if you are working on the community edition, it means that you are ahead of the work that you are doing, and the difference is not with respect to the community version. The actual difference is with respect to the licenses that you are going to purchase. See, in the community version, you have one unattended license, two developer bot licenses, and two attended licenses. So these are the things that you are going to get. In enterprise, you need to purchase each and every license. That's the only difference, which most of the people don't know.
Okay, got it. So other than like actions and everything, there will be
Everything will be same.
okay, got it. Thank you, Raj.
Yes. Okay. So the last day to pay the course fees is today and tomorrow only, because since we will be starting the course on Monday, we cannot give much ado with this, and people who are having questions can stay in the call, and people who are having no questions, for now I'm not going to take any extra time. Sorry for being late in the beginning, but yes, we will be starting our training sessions from 8 a.m. in the morning to 9 a.m. in the morning. That's the only timing. But will you be able to communicate after that? Yes, the communication platform will be Microsoft Teams, and you will be given a team, and everyone will be able to work on the same team. Let me just quickly try to show you Teams, if possible, if you are interested. Can you see my screen?
No, Vajran.
No, we can't see.
Yeah, I expect the same. I haven't shared it yet. It's some personal stuff. Thank you. Okay, let me just share it. Share your entire screen. Yes. Okay. Yes. Can you see it now? You should be able to.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we'll be working, since all the organizations are into Teams right now, Microsoft Teams. You will be given a team access, and you need to work, or you need to connect directly in the Teams. And there will be projects, and there will be course fees, course files, project training documents, and process definition documents that you are going to create. And so if you see the program notes that we have, so it will be like week one what we are doing, and LinkedIn how are we going to work with it, live interview tests. So there are questions for live interviews. So what are the questions, and few 1 week we will be working completely on this to deploy them. Practice tests, how are we going to do with the practice tests, life cycle of the project. Everything will be decided and discussed in this. Okay, are we good?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So I hope we have quite 9 members who are very interested till the end. So the payment details, you can take it from the next message, or else you can do directly a Google Pay to my account for the same number. So let me just go ahead. 9492. So this is the mobile number. You can do a Google Pay quickly. I cannot give a complete week, because we are going to start our trainings by Monday. That's what we are going to do, and I have started discussing about this 2 weeks back, so there is enough time that I have given. Any questions other than this? I hope
No,
no.
Vajra.
Okay.
No.
So don't think too much on whether you are able to complete the projects or not. See, the main agenda of this project or training session is to complete the projects and to make yourself job ready as well as project ready. So if you are having any other questions, ask me, but not on the technical front, because I am very much interested as you are to complete the projects. And these will not be same as the previous training sessions. Previous month, whatever we have covered, that will be completely new projects for this month. RA frameworks will still be same, of course. Okay, if there are no questions, thank you so much. But what I suggest you to do is go ahead and I'll give you a form. Please fill in the form, or can you please drop in a message directly to me in WhatsApp right now, because I have sent you a WhatsApp messages. Just give in your email ID so that I can send you the details, further details. Can you do it right now? We have 9 members. Narendra, Parvesh, Purnima, Sai Krishna, Sudhira, Swapna, Venu, Aparna. So even if there is one person in the training session, I'm going to take it, because the training session is for you guys. It's not for my sake, for my earning. I am earning a lot more and enough.
One final
Bajrang, you had added me, you had sent me a message in one number. 96422299492, right? Is
Yes,
that the same?
that's the payment that you can make. That's a Google Pay.
Okay, I
Google
messaged
Pay,
you in
Phone
that in
Pay, and
WhatsApp.
sorry.
I messaged you in that in WhatsApp. So I don't know if you got it.
Yep. Let me just check it out. Yeah, Purnima, I got your message.
Okay. Fine.
Sudhira, I got your message as well. We have Google Meet right now to know more about course and projects. Yeah, Sudhira, I got it. You got message. Yep. Hi, Pavesh, I got your message as well. Swapna, I got your message. Prakash is not available. Okay. Others? Fine. Let's not take let's not wait more. So Aparna, hi Aparna, got your message. Thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions, please go ahead and I'll still wait. If you don't have any questions, you can drop off for the meeting. And happy Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi have fought enough to give us independence. Let us try some part of it, a small part of it, to free ourselves from this job tensions, and then land you in a high paid job roles. And that's what I'm expecting for you guys, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Vajrang. Your concept actually is, I feel that's what attracted me to this meeting, that you are addressing the need of the hour. One is the
Yes.
job interviews,
Yes.
which the certification courses are not doing.
Yes.
And secondly, hands-on practicality end-to-end, which they will typically ask. I'm hoping the project will also be very close to what they're asking in real life scenarios.
Exactly. Each and every project will cover that.
Yeah. Thanks, Vajram. I think I'll be joining the course.
Sure, Purnima. I'll be waiting to work with you.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, we can add 4 projects in the resume, right? Like 4 weeks, 4 projects.
Yes, you can add them in the projects, all these projects in the resume. So there are some quick tricks and tips. See, when you are working on, when you're saying that you're working on a project, there need to be some tweaks that you need to make. I'll give you them while working on the project itself.
Yeah, okay, sir. We'll discuss on resume building session.
Exactly. Resume buildings. So resume building will be done on the first week itself, so that the next 3 weeks you should be actually applying for the job interviews. So you need to discuss about your interview experiences during the training sessions.
Okay. Sir, actually, I have Cognizant joining in 14th of this month, so there won't be any conflicts or something, right? I mean, like I can balance.
Yeah, you can go ahead and join. There should not be any conflict.
Okay, sir. We'll connect after this call.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm ready to join this program.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank
Thanks.
you,
Bye.
Vajra.
Sir, one last question, sir.
Swapna, go ahead, Swapna. You can call me by name, Vajrang.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
is there any relation like a .NET and RPA?
Of course, like UiPath is built on VB.NET, right? So there is a relation. But if you need to have .NET certification and do you need to be completely .NET experienced person? No, that's not the answer.
Because I have knowledge on Java, but not .NET. That's
That
why.
should be fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Vajrang, this is Sudhira.
Yes, tell
You
me,
said
Sudhira.
you asked to access that GitHub, right? So how do we? Because I don't know much about GitHub. Like
Yeah, I do understand, Sudhira. So go to github.com and search Vajrang-B.
Okay, sure.
I'll try to add a message here. Let me just give it up for you.
Yeah, it'll help me.
Yes, you can.
API calls will also you'll be covering now, Vajrang?
Yes.
Okay.
So everything that's there in the deck that I have shown, that's recorded. So you can go ahead and watch at any point of time, and you can say that okay, this is not covered, and I'll cover it at the point of time. Not keep it any delay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you much.
Thank you, Sudhira. Thank you, Purnima. Thank you, Swapna. Bye bye, everyone.